how to fix Spotify pausing your songs. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can fix the problem you're facing on Spotify. Whenever you're listening to a song, Spotify stops it, pauses it after 30 seconds or after some time, and it's pretty annoying when you're listening and enjoying your music. So how to fix that and why you are facing this problem on Spotify. So what you have to do is you will simply open up your Spotify right on your mobile phone, and then you will go to settings. Once you go to your settings, then you will find the option of data saver right here, and you can see right here this actually disables the artist canvases and also sets your audio quality to low, and this is the reason your Spotify songs are pausing. If it's checked like this, if it's green, it's enabled, then this is the reason why your Spotify is pausing your songs. So what you have to do is you will simply disable it if it's enabled. You can see right here. So I will simply disable it, and that will actually help me fix this problem, and then Spotify will no more pause my songs. This is the problem that you're facing. You can simply go to your Spotify settings and simply disable this option right here, which is data saver, and you're good to go. And I hope that this will actually fix your problem. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.